Hello everyone, is your car's AC acting up? Maybe it's not cooling properly, or you've noticed strange noises from the engine bay? If your obd2 scanner has shown the P0647 code, you're dealing with an issue in the AC clutch relay control circuit, high voltage. This can lead to your air conditioning system failing completely, making hot days unbearable. In this video I'll explain what P0647 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected components so you can fix it easily. Let's get started. The P0647 code stands for AC Clutch Relay Control Circuit High. Your car's powertrain control module, PCM, manages the AC clutch relay which engages or disengages the AC compressor. If the PCM detects a high voltage condition in this circuit, it triggers P0647, causing AC failure and potential damage to the compressor. This issue is common in vehicles with electronically controlled AC systems and can lead to major repair costs if ignored. Common symptoms of P0647. Check engine light on AC, not blowing cold air or shutting off intermittently. Loud clicking or buzzing from the relay, increased engine load when the AC is turned on. Blown fuses related to the AC system. If you're experiencing these issues, let's find the key components responsible for P0647. To diagnose P0647, check these key parts. AC clutch relay location inside the fuse box, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: controls power to the AC compressor clutch. AC compressor clutch. Location: bolted to the front of the AC compressor near the serpentine belt. Function: engages and disengages the compressor to control cooling. Powertrain control module, PCM ECU, location: mounted on the firewall under the dashboard or near the engine bay. Function: sends voltage to the AC clutch relay to engage or disengage the compressor. AC pressure switch location: connected to the AC refrigerant lines, often near the firewall or compressor. Function: monitors refrigerant pressure and prevents compressor operation if pressure is too high. Wiring and connectors location between the PCM relay and AC compressor clutch. Function: ensures proper electrical signal transmission. Common causes of P0647. Faulty AC clutch relay. A stuck or failing relay can send constant high voltage to the system. Shorted wiring. A short circuit in the wiring between the relay, compressor, and PCM can cause excessive voltage. Faulty AC compressor clutch. If the clutch draws too much current, it can cause high voltage issues. PCM ECU malfunction. If the PCM is faulty, it may send incorrect voltage signals to the relay. Refrigerant pressure issues. If the pressure switch fails, it may send incorrect signals causing high voltage errors. How to fix P0647? Step 1. Check for other A/C related codes. If additional error codes appear, inspect the entire cooling system. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or loose wires around the relay and compressor clutch. Step 3. Test the AC clutch relay. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. Replace the relay if it's faulty. Step 4. Test the AC clutch resistance. A faulty clutch may show low or infinite resistance. Step 5. Check refrigerant pressure. If pressure is too high, the system may go into protection mode. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and see if the problem returns. Ignoring P0647 can lead to complete AC failure, electrical issues, and even engine overheating. Fixing it restores your air conditioning, improves comfort, and prevents future damage. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0550. Power steering pressure sensor circuit malfunction. P0551. Power steering pressure sensor circuit range performance issue. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.